What's the meaning of centerboard? Centerboard. Centerboard.
Centerboard. Centerboard. A centerboard is a retractable keel-like object found in sailboats that helps to prevent sideways slip and improve sailing performance. It resembles a flat fin that can be lowered or raised using a rope or cable, providing additional lateral resistance to counteract the force of the wind on the sails. The centerboard creates a pivot point for the boat to turn around, and its movement can also help to regulate the boat's balance. By adjusting its position, sailors can fine-tune their course and optimize their speed and maneuverability, especially when sailing upwind.